Look what I made. Not really. But as I said on a recent video, also I'm about to dust off the old bread maker and see if I still know how to make bread. It's a complete catastrophe. So, let's fire up this old machine and see how we go. Now there are many types of bread you can make. I'm just using some things I've had in the cupboard for years, but they were sealed. You'll find many different varieties of bread contents that you can buy from your local supermarket. So start by giving everything a good wash. Oh, sugar. Crust, let's go for a medium, and since this particular yeast, each sachet will do 1 kilogram, let's do a 1 kilogram loaf. After all that, turns out the bread machine's not working. Looks like we'll have to go manual. Well, I'm not going to need anything for an hour, so let's try this no knead recipe I just found. Well, let's take it out and see what we can do. We can resurrect it. Yep. Well, that was a complete failure. Oh, it's already started to go funny. Let's just get in there. Ugh. Oh dear. Well, seems like the bread machine was faulty. I don't think this will work out too well. Oh goodness. Alright. I don't think that'll work out at all. But it's worth trying. Let's put a bit more water in here. A bit more water. Oh dear. Looks like Play-Doh. Hang on. Here's my hands. Make sure you always have clean hands. Well, feels like Play-Doh. Bubba likes it in the background. Not too sure this will work. So maybe this isn't how to make bread. No, I think it wasn't wet enough. Oh dear. It's a complete catastrophe. Would make good Play-Doh if you have kids. Or adventurous cats. Okay, well, the recipe I found says put it in a bowl and let it rest for 2 hours. Resting for 2 hours sounds good to me. Will end up being a giant loaf of bread. Cover the bowl and let it rest for 2 hours. I don't think this will work. What a mess. Well, this seems like a warm place. Put it there for 2 hours. Put it into a tin and bake it. Well, they say waste not, want not. Let's try it. Grease the tray. Yes, I did just wash my hands. Bit of butter. Well, you're going to see how this works out at the same time I will. Okay. Here it is after it's risen. Let's put it into the tray. It's quite firm. Not too bad. Hey! Oh, there we go. Shape it a bit, I guess. I don't know if this will work. Not quite rectangular, but let's throw it into the oven. We're going to put it in at the temperature below. Now at the baking stage, as you've probably heard, don't open the oven if you're cooking in an oven. Okay, well that's about 35 minutes, so let's have a look how it went. Oops. Well, it feels okay. Hang on. It's supposed to sound hollow in the middle, I'm not sure it does. It's risen a little bit. Just a little bit. Oops. Right, well, I'll see how that goes once it's cooled down. Wonder if you can see the steam coming off it. The moment of truth. Feels okay. Looks alright. Let's cut some off. There we go. Not too bad. There's nothing like the smell of fresh bread. Join me for my next episode. Cheers.